Okay, so step one in your instructions for the Jitterbug, we're going to look at the two pieces that are actually going to be mounted through holes, and you're going to note that they actually mount from the component side. So the first one is going to be your battery, and it's going to rotate so that if you're looking at your component here, this is a narrower side, which is like from here to here, and then a wider side, which is from here to here. So we want to mount it so that the little piece in your battery that sticks out, that's this piece here, is towards the narrower side. So it should go into your board like this, okay? So that this little piece is between the two holes that are right here. Now, if I flip this over the opposite way, it's going to come through and it's going to connect to these two sections here, in the foil section right here and right here. But what you will notice is these are pretty rigid, so they're not easy to bend. So what I would suggest is when you get them into place, you're just going to temporarily grab a piece of masking tape. This is going to come off afterwards, but let that hold that in place while you go ahead and solder your two leads. Your masking tape shouldn't go very far, so I'm going to rip off this little piece here so that it's holding those leads in place. Okay, so let me go ahead and clip this in. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and get my solder. All right, I've got my solder here, so just like we did previously, I'm going to heat up my lead for at least 3 seconds before I apply the solder to the opposite side. It's going to take a little bit of time here to heat up this lead. This lead is a little bit thicker. It's being a little stubborn here. All right, and then I want to remove the solder before I remove the lead. So I'm going to go ahead and do the same over to this lead. And this is for my battery again. Heating up that lead. And again, trying to solder from the opposite side. It takes a little time for this to heat, and then I'm going to move the solder before the soldering iron. All right, and those two joints look pretty good.